for all off-road enthusiasts. The excitement for Bilstein's Cybershock prototype is real. Showcased at the 2026 King of the Hammers event. Featuring adaptive electronic damping that adjusts valving in milliseconds to terrain for smoother rides over rough whoops. The plug-and-play integration with Cybertruck's OEM system, including hydraulic internal bump stops and retained height adjustability, while improving payload control and comfort. No cutting wires, no custom ECU flashes. It's designed as a bolt-on addition. The Shock uses fast-acting solenoid valves to automatically adjust compression and rebound valving based on terrain inputs. Retailing at $2,295 for the rear secondary kit, with Q2 2026 shipping, this upgrade addresses common Cybertruck off-road complaints like rear squat underload, based on early user feedback.